Adaptation is about anticipating the negative impacts of climate change and preventing, minimizing the damages that can occur. PFIs, public financial institutions, have a special responsibility in contributing to this adaptation for many reasons. First reason is that adaptation is perfectly in line with their mandate. Adaptation is highly relevant to the areas in which those institutions operate, being infrastructure, urban development, social housing, etc. Then, those institutions have the relevant assets to contribute to adaptation, both financial assets and the technical expertise to contribute to adaptation. Then, as long-term investors, those institutions can combine a good management of their climate risk with adaptation. And eventually, they have a strategic interest in addressing the growing demands from their clients and counterparts, economic environment for adaptation. In this report, which is the last report from the FinAdapter project, we show that there is a role for each department within those institutions to contribute to adaptation. First, by setting the right condition for an enabling environment for adaptation, and this starts with the top management of PFIs, which can really carry an ambition and a strategic objective for adaptation. Then relying on the regional offices and all the business units to spread this objective and mobilize their counterparts. Then PFIs can mainstream adaptation in their offer, both in technical assistance, because adaptation is first about well-designed projects, and to design adapted projects you need the right expertise and technical capabilities. Then into their financing offer, both to finance specific adaptation projects and to make sure that adaptation requirements are integrated into the other projects that finance. In this project, we worked on what to do to take adaptation into account into all the relevant projects in France, what PFIs and other public actors can do. Now we will work on how much. We will try to quantify the resources we need and the type of resources we need to tackle this challenge of adaptation.